As more businesses adopt cloud-based solutions for their infrastructure and applications, the need for cloud security is becoming increasingly important. With Azure being one of the most popular cloud platforms, it is essential for cloud professionals to understand how to secure their Azure cloud environment. An Azure cloud environment is different from other cloud environments because it uses unique features and capabilities that are specific to Azure. This means that cloud professionals must be familiar with Azure-specific security protocols and practices to effectively secure their Azure cloud environment. Let's discuss a few strategies for securing your Azure cloud environment. One of the most important security measures for an Azure cloud environment is to implement role-based access control, RBAC. This means that only authorized personnel are granted access to Azure resources. Enabling multi-factor authentication, MFA, is another essential security measure for an Azure cloud environment. MFA requires users to provide multiple forms of authentication, such as a password and a code sent to their mobile device, to access Azure resources. It's also important to make sure you are regularly updating and patching systems. This is an essential security measure for any cloud environment, including Azure. Cloud professionals must ensure that all systems and applications are up to date with the latest security patches and updates. Finally, network security groups, NSGs, are another important security measure for an Azure cloud environment. NSGs provide a way to filter network traffic and control access to Azure resources. To further enhance your knowledge and skills in securing your Azure cloud environment, consider enrolling in a cloud bootcamp. Cloud Institute provides comprehensive cloud education that covers Azure-specific security protocols and practices. By investing in cloud education, you can gain the knowledge and skills you need to effectively secure your Azure cloud environment and protect against potential security threats.